Okay, this is my chapter reassessment on 16, and I'm doing 16, problem P63. It's all this right here. And so I started out with the metal ring, and it's asking for, this is basically what I wrote about that, the R2s, the R1s, the Q2s, and Qs, etc. And it's asking for if R is less than R1, and I put 0 is because it's inside of the sphere, and since it's a and since the sphere is solid plastic, it should have an E field of 0. And so I put that right there because the solid plastic sphere has no charge inside, is not affected by the charges on the surface and by any other charge. So, and then if R was on the outside of R1 and on the inside of R2 in the air gap, I said that the charge would go, the field would be inward towards the solid sphere. All fields together point that direction because the outside fields are positive, so they push out, and that inside sphere is negative, so it's pulling it closer, so all of them are pushing that way. For part C, if it's between R2 and R3 in the metal, and I put it 0 because it is inside a conductive surface. And for the outside of R3, I put that I put the formula right here, and I said it was going outward because they said that Q1 and Q2, Q2 and Q3 are going to be greater than Q1, right? I put right here, so it has to push outwards regardless of that sphere, plus it's farther away. But more the fact that it's because Q2 and Q3 are positive and they're pushing that field outwards. And then it's asking for if negative 1, if negative Q1 equals negative 5 newtons per coulomb, what is Q2? And I put that Q2 would equal 5. I said because the system wants to be at equilibrium, so the electrons repel the electrons on the shell and result in a 5 newton per coulomb of charge remaining because the negatives on the shell would push away and the positives would sit there more often, so you have more charge on that side because the electrons moved away. And then it's asking what the surface is, what it would look like inside of the plastic shell right here. And I would say that it would look more like this, that the positives would be on the outside of the shell, but still on the inside, and the negatives would be towards the inside because they're trying to get away from the negative charge on the outside of the plastic sphere. Thank you.